Hi everyone, I'm David Hewson and I'm the Delivery Manager for Viz One. And today I'm going to share a new feature that's been added to Adobe Assistant 4.1. This feature makes it really easy to work with Viz One EDLs directly in Premiere. So let's get started. So this is an improvement in the Adobe Assistant panel to support drag and drop for the new EDL functionality that was introduced in Viz 1.7.3. Just a small bit of background here. The EDL stands for Edit Decision List, but in simple terms, it's a clip list in Viz One, which the user can build up themselves through searching and identifying desired material. And that EDL can be composed of clips from single or multiple assets. So depending on how our Viz One is configured, we might see these EDLs in item search or in a dedicated EDL search. We can grab this one, which is a collection of clips I created earlier, and drag drop that directly into Adobe Assistant. This will create a new sequence so as not to overwrite existing work the user might have in the timeline on their Premiere project. As is typical for Premiere, we're presented with options to select the desired format from a preset list of options. Once we've selected that, we can see here that the clips that make up that EDL populate our timeline in Premiere, ready for the user to do further editing as required. So the main value here is quite clear. We're tightening up that integration between Viz One and Premiere, looking to achieve more efficient workflows and speed up that process of using a selection of media and moving it over to the craft editing environment.